Welcome back for another video. So here we have a DIY project number 3, and I'm creating a wooden garbage recycling organics bin box outside. And I've gotten all the wood. I'll show you a video real soon after this with the example of what it's going to look like. So let's get to it. Here's my design of the mini shed that I'm preparing to build. I've been working on this for quite some time now, and so it is going to be 4 doors. It's at 80 inches by 30 inches. This is the side of it. It's going to be a tilted downward slope for the roof, so that's why it's kind of weird shaping kind of thing, but this is a completely square. Anyways, so I have only the right doors wrote in because I don't really need both doors since they're going to be the same measurements. These 2 doors are going to be bigger than these 2 doors because it's going to be a garbage and organics bin and then 4 recycling bins. And so anyways, I am quite proud of this. Actually first time doing something like this, and so it is quite the fun project, learning it as I go. These are my different designs for the floor base that I'm going to be creating with the wheels. There's going to be 6 wheels, and so right now I'm figuring out which is the best design of the 2x4s for the base, for the best structure and longevity. And so that is what I have been working on. I actually have some different designs that I will show you here. So this is the first one that I started to create, first example design. And so we were originally having a roof that we could open up, but we decided to go with it not opening up, just be mounted on, and it would be facing sloping downwards to the back and have bigger doors. Also my first little design there. So here is my second larger design to really figure it all out. I was playing around with trying to make it 3D like, as well as like figuring out how long for the roof and everything like that, which direction I would put the 2x4s, which would be the best way. So this is 3.5 inch this way. Anyway, so had some fun there, but this is definitely more of a wonderful looking design that I've figured out. Quite excited to see how this all comes together.